Hello everyone and welcome to Ojo the Crocheting Sailor. I'm coming on to do a review on this new Craft Day hang bag DIY diamond craft bag. And this is very, very beautiful. This is in a giveaway on my channel and I love it. So I am going to show you all how to do a diamond painting. I wanted to let you all know that I will put a link in the description box if you're interested in getting this particular bag. And if not, I am going to put some other bags on the screen that you may be interested in. They also have totes, they have Christmas ones, and they have other little bags that you can carry that have a nice, beautiful, detachable chain, which there is a gold one for this one. And it links up on the side. And then you're going to get your gel pen. You're going to get your wax. And for the life of me, I could not think of what this thingamajig was. And your tray to put your drills. So here are the drills here. And we are going to start with number 3. There are 9 packs here. So it goes all the way up to number 8. And then there's an A. So these numbers definitely correspond to the numbers that are on the bag. There is plastic on it. So what we will be doing is pulling this plastic back. I actually want to start working on number 3. What I recommend is that you peel whatever area you want to work on. So this is 4 right here. So if you wanted to work on 4, you would peel this back. And what you could do is you can put something on there to lean it, to secure it. And I'm going to pull it back like this. And I'm going to put the chain on it. You can use whatever weight you like. But I thought this would be kind of cool just to use the chain. So long as it doesn't go into this area because it is sticky here. So I will try that and you all can see whether or not you could do the same thing. So we are just going to get our drills. These are what the gems are called. They're called drills. Now they have the little area where you can tear them, but it's easier to cut because sometimes they do not come apart. So I'm getting number 3 ready right now, and I'm going to open these up and put them inside of here of your tray. So cut this up. I'm going to put some inside and I'll hold it up so you all can see. And then once you put some in there, I'm only going to put a few. You can go ahead and then you shake it. You shake it and tilt it a little bit. And if you notice, they are kind of falling right side up. So you can grab them. And this is what you want right here. See that? Right side up. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your wax. Sometimes they are square and sometimes you will see in kits that they have a heart or they are heart shaped. There is a plastic on the top. You'll just have to figure out what side it is. And it looks like it's on both sides. You see that? Just peel it up. And that would make sense. It would be on both sides. Take your pen and I'll show you what it looks like there. You're going to take your drill pen and then you're going to want to press and then kind of twist it a little bit as you're doing it. So what you're doing is you're getting this wax in there. This will help you to pick up your drills. Let's see. You have inserted the wax. You see that hole? You've inserted the wax into the pen. So now what we're going to do is you can do this down on a flat surface. I'm just holding it up so you can see what I'm doing. you're going to take your pen and then you're going to lift up one of the drills, just like that. I'll put this up and out of the way so I won't mess anything up. And then you're going to place it right on your purse. And voila, the first one is done. You can do this. Can you all see where I put it? It's right here. And that's what you're going to do. This is number 3. So it is foolproof. You just put number 3 where the 3s are. And then you'll just continue to pick these up just like this and stick them onto the bag just like that. There are other tools that you can get where you can actually put more than one drill on at a time. This particular one to me would be better if you put them on individually. And I just realized that what I did was I used a different table and it's shaking a little bit, so I hope it's not shaking too much. Camera, that is. And if for some reason your drills aren't being picked up by your gel pen, it's because you'll have to add more wax. So the only thing you have to do is just pick your wax up, and then you would just go ahead and swirl and make that little hole and refill it. Now, when you finish, you want to make sure that you put this cover back onto your wax. One thing that I did not mention at the beginning, but this is so easy and simple and very relaxing. So if you're interested in diamond painting, it's that easy. And if for some reason, okay, I'll move this to the side here and hold it. You see, these are the ones that I've done already. If for some reason you got this and you didn't put it in the right spot, don't worry. You can peel this up and then you can replace it. You can do that. And it's very simple, just like this. And it goes really, really fast. You can do this while watching TV or just in silence like I am here with you all. And you can rock and sport this. And when people see you walking down the street with this or at a special event, you can say, I did this myself. This is a diamond painting. And it's very sparkly and pretty. Oh, it's not sticking. So I might have to, okay. All right. There we go. We're okay. We're in business. You see how fast I'm doing this? I am going to see if I can finish this up tonight. I'm hoping that I can. But if you have been on the fence about this or think you can't do it, I just made it easy for you. You can do this. Now, one thing that I will tell you in doing mine is that with some of these, once you open the packet, how are you going to seal it up? Some kits come with a little, close this back up. They come with little baggies, and then they're mini Ziplocs, really. And then you can put these into the Ziploc and you can label them. But I had this sent to me by newcraftday. And what you can do is you can order one of these from them. Very inexpensive. I will put a link to this item as well. It has 28 of these trays, and they come out in 4s. And you can go ahead and take one out like this, and you can label the little box. Like, I can put this in here just like this. I'll show you. There we go. So we can put all of our drills in there. They all fit. See that? Plenty room to spare. I could take this number right here and label it. I can put it on the front or the side, or I could just be lazy and put it right inside of the little container here. But I need to be creative and know that this is number 3. And then when you're done, I have some stuck to me, so I'm going to put them in the tray and put them in here. And in any time, you can shake these. Okay, you can shake these. There are some trays that have an opening here, which is good because when you're done, you can just go ahead and slide these into whatever container that you have. Well, you have to get creative with this. Now, you see how I did that? I folded it up and I put the 3 face up, so I know that that's what it is. And then you can just put it back into your little container like this, your little organizer, and you're good to go. So it's as simple as that. I really, really love it. Some people like to peel it back and hold the paper, but the little plastic, but you don't have to do that. You can put a weight on it. Okay. I hope I'm not shaking you all too much. But I'm almost done with this little petal right here. So if you are interested, go and check out newcraftday. They did ship to me very, very quickly. I do have a discount code. It's OLA10. My discount code is OLA10. And if you spend $50, you can get 2 free gifts. Check it out. Greatly appreciate that. Sorry for the shaking. I have to remember next time. On my other table, see, I don't connect my device to it. It's actually separate, so I apologize for the shaking, but I'm almost done. I wanted to finish this so you all can see one petal completed. Oh, I didn't even pick it up. Okay, there we go. And the finished object will be this purse when I get it done. So there you go. I was able to finish that leaf, that petal right there. Now there is an outside part that's number 1. So I'll do that off camera and then I'll show you guys another time. But this is how it looks. It is so pretty. I hope you all are getting that. There we go. This is what it looks like. So I hope this was helpful for you into determining whether or not you would like to do diamond paintings or get into it. This is a small project, so if you didn't want to do a larger project, then these, which is another kit that was sent to me by newcraftday. This is the yin and yang. And here is the number if you're interested. B5783. Very, very nice. And it has all that you need to get you started. then you can do something small like this just to get your feet wet. But these are just wonderful. Here is another one. If you're into the sport teams, you can do this one. It's a 30 by 40 and it says SZ 3116. All right. You can put sport team diamond paintings into the search and you can do one like this. It's a New York Giants. Yes, they have other ones as well. So I hope this was helpful for you into determining what type of diamond paintings you would like to do, how to get started, which this is a quick start. I did not plan on making this video a long one. I wanted to show you this video because I did promise that I would share how I was going to do this purse and show people how you can start and how easy it is to do. Oh my goodness. This is wonderful, very relaxing. And once you get into it, you're not going to want to put it down. And I am very, very happy and grateful to newcraftday for sending me this purse. And I'm hoping that you have a wonderful day. And I want you to remember to live each day as if it were last. I will definitely see you all on the YT streets. Thank you for tuning in. And remember to check out that giveaway video if you haven't already done so. Do that. Thank you. Bye-bye.